The lady from Uncle. International Affair. The lady.
Hi, today I want to take a look at official artist channels and how to get one. Right, if you're a musician and you've already been uploading videos to YouTube with your music, you're probably wondering whether you qualify, or if you think you do, why you haven't yet got an official artist channel. And the reasons are that the criteria for qualifying are not nearly as simple as they appear to be. So looking at the first article, creatoracademy.youtube.com, we look down at the bottom here and it says upgrade to an official artist channel. That's the obvious link to click. And it goes through what the benefits are and gives you an example that you can have a look at. And then it tells you the criteria that you have to meet in order to qualify. And they look an awful lot simpler than they truly are. And that is often the case where things are changing, progressing, and the articles simply just don't keep up with progress. So let's have a look at the criteria. The first one is obvious. You have your own YouTube channel, which either you manage or your manager or label manages, and it's the one that you upload your content to. The second one is a little bit less obvious because it doesn't mean what we would not naturally assume it means. It says you have to have at least 3 official music videos on YouTube delivered from a music distribution partner. Official music videos at YouTube do not mean what musicians tend to think of them as meaning. In this case, the music distribution partner, let's use the example of CD Baby. You've submitted your album, 12-track album, to CD Baby for distribution to Spotify, iTunes, Amazon, etc., and also to manage your rights at YouTube. So if anybody uses your music, you get the revenue for their use of it. So this would be, in this example, CD Baby would be your music distribution partner. And by managing your rights at YouTube, what they do is they submit your 12-track album, in my example, to YouTube together with the album artwork and the album's metadata, including the track titles, etc. And that would then qualify as 12 official music videos submitted or delivered from a music distribution partner. So it doesn't necessarily have to be a music video the way we understand it. It just has to be officially delivered by the distributor. So if we then look at learn more about eligibility, because as I say, it's not as simple as just meeting those two. You'd think that we would learn more here on this particular page, but you'll see that they just go through the whole thing again, what it is, how it benefits you, and how to get it. But it just says the two same things, that you have to have your own YouTube channel and 3 official music videos. So if we just go back to this page, and then we have a look at what's the difference between an official artist channel and my current channel, we'll see that actually it doesn't give us an awful lot of information, but what it does give us is a rather important email address, and that's this one here, artist-support@youtube.com. Now, you'd normally be thinking, okay, let's just write to them and ask why on earth I haven't yet gotten my official artist channel, because after all, I meet both the criteria that are asked of me. Well, as I said, it's not that simple. So let's look at the criteria that is actually required of anyone wishing to have an official artist channel. Now, having assisted a musician with this last month, I know that there's 5 criteria that are asked for, at least of them. And the first one is the obvious one, the owner-operated YouTube channel. That's the same as in the public link. And the second one, confusingly, is nothing like the second one on the public link. In this case, the one official music video really is an official music video, but it's a video that you deem to be official. So providing it uses the music that you deem to be your official music, and perhaps you already have on Spotify, iTunes, etc., and possibly delivered to YouTube by your distribution partner, it is classed as an official music video. 3 can be a bit daunting because not every artist this day and age has a label. So if you are self-publishing, do say so. It's quite okay. Number 4 is actually the public links number 2. That is the 1+ album of art tracks on YouTube equals 3 official music videos delivered by a music distribution partner. So in other words, using my example again, where you've submitted to CD Baby 12 tracks in your album and CD Baby have delivered onto YouTube that album, you basically have 1+ album, or you have one album of 12 art tracks on YouTube. And number 5, which is not mentioned at all, but is actually quite important, is subject to number 4, or meeting the criteria of number 4, because an artist page in Remix, which in itself doesn't make much sense, is a topic channel. And a topic channel is one that is auto-generated by YouTube when there is enough fuss made about a particular keyword or keywords, i.e. the artist's name, to generate a topic channel, or where a distribution partner has delivered 1+ album of art tracks to YouTube. So in the example, the one album of 12 tracks that have been delivered to YouTube by CD Baby, that would be put onto the topic channel by YouTube. So if you know this information before you write into artist support for your official artist channel, you stand a far better chance of actually qualifying. So do make sure that you meet all 5 criteria. And if you need more information, do read up on it. Just Google official artist channel. And I did that, and I came across this rather clever little article, incidentally, on CD Baby through DIY Musician, where it discusses the meaning of art tracks for YouTube. So I'll put the links down below as well. So thank you for listening, and hopefully it won't be too long before you have yours. Bye.